to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do my brows. That's a detailed brow tutorial. So Beauty Line by Didi, Shop Didi Beauty Co sent me some goodies, and we have their new release, which is the brow lease, and this is what I'm using. And the spoolie that they sent me, it has a spatula attached to it, and I think that's so cool. So I'm just applying the brow lease to keep the brow in place. It's just brow tamer. They just named their own brow lease, so it's going to tame the brows, and I'm just making sure it's flat enough so all the brow hairs are laid down to perfection. So I'm using my Gillette razor blade. Please guys, always use a new razor blade. So I break my own into two just for more flexibility, and I tend to bend it towards the middle, so I could only use the middle to trim off the brows and shape my brows. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm trimming off the excess hairs and just getting her brows ready and in shape for a beautiful outline. So next I'm going in with another brow lease from Beauty Line by Didi. So this one, I keep saying Beauty Line by Didi, they changed their name to Shop Didi Beauty Co or Didi Beauty. So this brow lace is the same with the first one, but this one is like in a more liquidy form, while that one is in a gel form, right? So I'm using their brow pencil, sorry, I'm using their brow pencil, the crayon pencil, which you can sharpen. I'm using it to outline because I can go very dark with this one, meaning I can press my hand and just resharpen if it breaks. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just outlining the brow. I'm sorry for the unstable videos. I was filming for Instagram and YouTube at the same time, and so I had to film with two phones. So I'm still outlining the brows. I finished outlining the right brows and I'm on the left one now. And yeah, I'm just applying outlining lightly. I don't usually like to go very dark for some looks, so I'm using the popular Shop Didi Beauty pencil that we all know, and this pencil is one shade fits all. It's so perfect. I don't know how they managed to get such a perfect product, to be honest. So I'll just be using that to create hair-like strokes. I'm creating hair-like strokes at the beginning of the brow. So when I was outlining with the other brow pencil, I did not start from the beginning because I want that hair like natural looking brows. I don't want those thick boxed looking brows. No, that's why I do not outline my brows from the beginning. I outline it some millimeters away from the beginning. So I use my pencil to create feathery hair-like strokes from the beginning. So here I'm using my blot brow gel to just darken the brows up, because remember I did not really go in dark with the first brow pencil. So I'm just re-outlining. I'm re-outlining with the Blot Cosmetics brow gel, and I'm using my Burge Cosmetics flat brush. Burge Cosmetics is another wonderful brow not brow brush brand as well. Nigerian brands are killing it, you guys. So after I darkened my brow, I'm going in with my Burge Cosmetics flat concealer brush and my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Latte to highlight her brows or define her brows, or however you want to call it. So I use the light color on the brow bone only. So the brow bone is underneath your arc. Your arc now, the highest point of your brows, right? So underneath it is what we call the brow bone. So get familiar with these words as I'm going to be dropping tutorials, so yeah, I'm just highlighting there, and it makes the brow pop. So I'm going in with my Younger Beauty concealer in SMC4 to define the other parts of the brow. It's darker than the first concealer we used because I really want my brows to look natural and still pop. So this is the hack, it's not looking too dramatic, but it's still going to pop. So I'm just blending all that concealer into the skin so everything becomes seamless and beautiful. You need to blend every step. Makeup is all about blending, blending, blending. Like, you blend till you can blend no more, but will not blend no more. So yeah, just blending and blending and blending. So next, I am still going back with my blots, just because I feel I need more definition to the brows. Like, I felt like the brows were looking too light, so I just had to go back to my brow gel. I used brow gel because the brow gels I have, or brow pomades, they are slightly dark. They are very dark, actually, not slightly. So they are darker than pencil. So if I want my brows to really pop, like if I want my brows to be the statement, that's what I do. So lastly, I'm using my favorite product, Secure the Brows by Didi Beauty, and just to further make the beginning of the brows look more natural, and feathery. So this is our final look. This is the last thing I do. So yeah, thank you so much to Shop Didi Beauty Co for sending these amazing goodies to me. And here's our finished brows. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye.